show you how to make a doggy pencil case tissue paper roll. Ta-da! So you have some space here where you can put your markers, scissors, and also your correction pen or maybe glue. And you can put it as a decoration as well on your desk. Okay, so just watch the video and follow my lead. The items that you'll need are paper core that you'll get from a paper tissue roll, and also a googly eye, so just one googly eye, a white paper, and a black paper. And the equipments that you'll need are scissors, liquid glue, pencil, a black marker, and a correction pen. So make sure you prepare it all, and now let's start. So the first step is take one of the paper core and take a pencil, and now it's time to draw the pattern. So just put it upward like this and then hold it right here and just follow the shapes to make the pattern. Okay, now you have to make 4 or 5 paper core, so just make it one by one. Okay, so now I've made 5 patterns here for the bottom lid of the paper core. Now take a scissors and just cut each of these patterns. So now it's time to stick the lid on each paper core. So first, take a liquid glue . Okay. Now take one paper core and you'll see the edge. Just add the glue on the edge. Slowly, gently. If it's too much, you can still spread it to the other side on the other edges like this. Okay. So take one and just stick it right here. Just put it away and let it dry. So now it's time for you to finish the whole paper core with the lid. Once you're done, you'll have the paper core that looks like this. So the next part is take your liquid glue one more time, and it's time for you to stick each paper core with each other just like this. So it almost looks like a train, if I must say. So you just add the liquid glue on one side like a straight line like this. Okay. Make sure you put enough and take another one and just stick it like this. Okay, and make sure it dries well. So now you just need to finish the whole paper core into one body for the doggy pencil case. Ta-da! Now you're done with the part for the body of your doggy pencil case. Now it's time to make the head part and also the tail. Now take the white paper and to measure the size of the head, you need to take a pencil. Okay, so now as you can see, the height of the paper core is on this side, the top one, and the below part. Okay, so let me show you. Again, this is the top part as well as the below part over here. So you'll have two lines like this. Okay, now time to draw the shape of the head. So just draw it gently and carefully. If you need an eraser, you can take one to make sure your drawing will be perfect. Okay, so now it's time to cut this pattern with a scissors. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the pattern for the head part, but we're not finished yet. So now it's time to draw the ear part. Okay, so using this pattern, you'll take a pencil and then just try to measure the height of the pattern. And from these two lines, using this black paper, you'll make the ears. So, for example, like this. Okay, so now take your scissors and just cut it as well. Once you're done with the ear like this, now it's time to draw the nose. So for this one, you'll just need to imagine and create the nose by using an oval shape like this. Okay, and then cut this as well. Okay, now you're done. Now it's time for you to assemble this. Take your glue. So first, we're just going to stick the ear part. So let me measure it first. This. Now, add some glue. And just stick it on the half of the face like this. Okay, now for the nose, add some glue again. And just stick it on the tip of its nose like this. Okay, now take your googly eye and stick it as well. We're almost done. Now take your black marker and we're going to draw the happy face of this doggy. Ta-da! Now we're done with the face part. Okay, so what is a dog without a tail? Now it's time for you to take your black paper again. And now it's time to take your pencil and create the pattern of the tail. So just make a long line like this. Okay. Now make another on the below part and just connect it on the edge like this. Okay. Now you can close the end like this and just cut it as well. Ta-da! The head and the tail are all done. Now take the body part, this one. Okay, now it's time for us to assemble it all. First, I'm going to take the head part and I'm just going to add some liquid glue on the hind like this. Okay, and just stick it right here. For the tail, add a glue on one side like this, just a small part, and just stick it from behind like this. Ta-da! Oops! Today I'm going to make a Dalmatian, but there are no spots and there are no legs. Okay then. Now, take your black paper one more time and now let's create the legs. Okay, so to make the leg, first, you're going to draw a straight line like this. Okay, now put a straight line on top of it like this. With a soft edge, okay? So with a soft edge like this, and draw a circular line like this, and almost like a circle, but actually we're going to connect the line with the first line like this. So this is going to be its leg. So we're going to make two legs. I'm just going to cut this one and use it as a pattern to draw another one here. Ta-da! Now we've got two legs. Now we're going to draw some lines using a correction pen like this. Okay, the other leg. Okay, now let it dry and we're still waiting. Okay, now we're going to stick this both legs here like this. So just take your liquid glue again. So add some glue behind and stick it like this. As well as the other one. Ta-da! Oops, I forgot. It's time for the spots. So with the leftovers that you had earlier from this black paper, you just need to take a scissors and just create dots. Just make a circle like this. It could be big, it could be small. Well, it's your Dalmatian, so you can create it with your own creativity. So I'm just going to cut this few dots so my Doggie pencil case will look like a Dalmatian. Ta-da! So these are my dots. That's going to be the spots for my Dalmatian. Now I'm going to take a glue and just stick each one of the dots so my Doggie pencil case will look like a Dalmatian. Ta-da! Look! It's our Doggie pencil case tissue paper roll. Now, I'm going to show you how it will look like when you put it on your desk. So you can just add your marker here, for example, or maybe your favorite pen or favorite highlighters, your glue, even scissors, so you can fit anything that you'll need for school on your desk. Okay, so that was our craft, a Doggie pencil case tissue paper roll. Okay, so now it's time for the giveaway challenge. Are you ready? Okay, so the challenge is for KG until elementary students. So all you have to do is just make this craft and then don't forget to post it on your Instagram and mention Sekolah Anak Bangsa as well as the hashtags. The hashtags will be on the next slide. Okay? And then if you don't want to make this craft, you can make other styles, maybe like this. Or maybe other styles of dogs. And do you know what is the prize? So the best craft will get a craft kit. Okay, so are you excited? So don't forget for the giveaway challenge. Okay then, so that was all from our art and craft lesson. I'll see you next time.